guys, good morning, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are going to hold a review another sexy lingerie from Temu. So without further ado, let's begin. So ito yung ating new collection for today, a sexy lingerie paru-paru G. Look at this, wow, beautiful. Look at this, ganda ng style. Yan po yung style niya, oh. Ang ganda. Ito embroidered po dito, naka-embroidered yung paru-paro. Tapos meron siyang mga ano dito. Yan, nilagyan nila na garter itong dito. So tingnan natin yung kanyang quality. The style is so beautiful and sexy, good. And the quality is good also. Look at this. This is a garter. Kanyang, yung stretch niya, maganda naman po. Ayan, oh, ganda ng stretch niya. Ayan siya. Look at this. At very see-through po yung kanyang sa body. Ayan. At yung tahi naman dito sa overlock, napakaganda. Beautiful. At this is tong panty. Kaya doon sa mga may almo, sorry na lang. Pero kung kaya naman ng power yung suot dito, ay nasa sa inyo yan. But this is so beautiful. The quality is good so far. Ayan, oh. The garter is good. Firm po ang kanyang pagka-stress. Tingnan mo, ang ganda ng pagka-style niya. So the quality is good. The style is so sexy. Look at this. This is the style is the paru-paru G, and this a back view. This is tong panty. Yung material niya maganda, at ang style para siyang ano, yung style yung parang leopard style, pero see-through, para siyang fishnet. Ang ganda, beautiful. Kaya kung i-rate mo ito ng 1 to 10, bigyan natin siya ng perfect 10 because this is so beautiful. Look at this, the view, the front view. Ang ganda, sexy. Napaka-sexy nito kapag isuot mo. And the quality is good. So that is for today for our sexy G-string see-through tong panty. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.